Hello everyone, while updating my NVIDIA card drivers, I ran into this issue called installation can't continue. This happened because I locked my laptop in the middle of the download and then continued the download after a few hours. After a bit of research and checking my system, I have found 3 ways to fix this issue. So let's see each of them now. The first method is the easiest, but it does not work on all computers. This method is for minor issues in the software or the driver. Alright, make sure that your driver is fully downloaded in the drivers section. If you don't see this, the only option for you will be to download the driver manually. Search for NVIDIA GeForce Experience in the search bar and right click to open it as an administrator. We'll then go to the drivers section and hit the update button to see if that fixes the issue. If yes, great. If not, then let's go to the second method. This method is a little bit tricky, so pay attention. First, you will need to go to the C drive where Windows is installed. Then click on this View option on Windows 11. Windows 10 View option is also on the top. We'll then go to Show and Show Hidden Files. The folder named Program Data will come up. Go into this folder and then go to NVIDIA Corporation folder. If the driver update is downloaded, it will be in this folder. Next, go to the Downloader folder. Here, you will see different folders. See the folder with unusual names. If you have multiple, go into each and see the downloaded driver. To find the latest, we can go to the GeForce Experience and check the driver version here. In the downloaded folder, the version number would be the starting name of the file. For me, the downloaded version is 497, so the file name will start with 497. Open that file and install the software just like you would for the first time. This should fix the issue after installing and restarting your PC. If it did, please let me know in the comments. If not, let's go to the third way. Now, I fixed my issue using this way, but it requires more time. To begin, go to the latest folder in the same downloader folder. Here, I found this setup file. Now this is not the latest version of the software. I think this is the version that was already installed, or came with the PC, or something else like that. You open that file and install this version. We will wait for the installation to be finished. After it has been installed, restart your PC for the software to finish the installation. After restarting, go to NVIDIA Experience and click on the Express or Custom Installation button on the drivers page. The driver should install without any issues. If that too did not work, you only have the option to download the latest software manually and run the downloaded file as an administrator. The NVIDIA website is very powerful, and if you have an NVIDIA card installed, the website will automatically find the latest driver. Alright, those were the 3 ways to fix this issue. I hope the video helped. Thumbs up if it did. I'll catch you later. Until then, keep playing.